In this video, you'll learn how to delete pages in Webflow efficiently. This process will ensure that your website remains organized and free of unnecessary content. Begin by navigating to the Webflow site where your project is located. Once you are on the site, look for the specific project you want to work on and click to open it. This action will take you to the project dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your website. After accessing your project, locate the left-hand sidebar. Here, you will find various options related to your project. Click on the option labeled Pages. This will allow you to see a list of all the pages currently associated with your project, making it easier to identify which one you want to delete. Next, scroll through the list of pages and find the one you wish to remove. Once you identify the page, click on it to select it. Selecting the page will highlight it and may display additional options related to that specific page. Following the selection of the page, look for a gear icon or the button labeled Settings, usually located near the top of the page list. Click on this icon to access the settings for the selected page. This is where you can manage various aspects of the page, including the option to delete it. Now, within the settings menu, find the option labeled Delete. Clicking this will prompt a confirmation message to appear on your screen. This message typically asks to confirm your action before proceeding. After you receive the confirmation prompt, you will see a more specific message, such as, are you sure you want to delete the shop page? This is your final chance to ensure that you genuinely want to delete the selected page. To finalize the deletion, click on the delete button in the confirmation prompt. This action will remove the page permanently from your project. It is important to note that deleted pages cannot be recovered. So ensure that you truly want to proceed before clicking delete. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.